Hello friends, welcome to another video. Hope you all are fine and doing well. In today's video, we are going to draw with the letter I. First we are going to write a letter I, then we are going to make it into a beautiful flower. Draw a petals and other petal by drawing a long shape oval. The other petal, draw the petal until the flower get completed. Draw some on the bottom of I. Draw a leaf on the other side and other leaf. Our flower is completed, but flower without pot is looks so bad, so draw a pot. There are many type of flowers in this world. They have many type of fragrances. Many of flowers are not discovered yet. Many flowers are used to make medicines. Some flowers are used to make food. Let me know in comments which type of flowers do you like and which colors of flower you like. Let's color our flower because our flower is ready. Let's color it. I'm going to color it a beautiful orange. You can color it what you want. Color green in the petals and color red in the bottom, means on the pot. Hope so you enjoyed the video. Keep supporting, keep coloring. Our beautiful leaves are ready. There are many shades of green. You can color it as you desire. I'm coloring it a dark green, a bottle green. You can color it light or dark as you desire. Our flower is ready. Keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.